This video will show you how to install the Quiet Fill Platinum Large 3-inch Complete Toilet Repair Kit. Before we begin, verify that this kit is compatible with your toilet. This kit is not designed to fit Kohler brand toilets. This kit is designed for toilets with a flush valve diameter of more than 2 3/4 inches. If your flush valve diameter is smaller than 2 3/4 inches, please use our 2-inch complete kit linked in the description below. Begin by turning off the water supply and flushing the toilet. To mark the tank's original water settings, mark the water level with a pencil while the original flapper is still installed. Then hold down the toilet handle to drain the tank of the remaining water. Place a bucket underneath the toilet tank to catch any excess water that may spill out. Disconnect the water supply line from the tank and remove the mounting nut by twisting it clockwise. You may need a wrench. Then remove the old fill valve. Below the toilet tank, twist off the nuts from the bolts with a wrench and remove all old hardware. Then lift the tank off the bowl and place it lying flat on a stable, flat surface. Remove the old sponge gasket and then remove the mounting nut. You may need pliers. Remove the old flush valve and any other hardware left inside the tank. Determine the tank hole diameter by using the highlighted 3 7/16 inches ruler on the edge of the instructions. If it is smaller than the highlighted ruler, you will have a leftover O-ring after installation. Only if the hole is larger than the ruler, place the black O-ring in the groove of the flush valve threads. Install the new flush valve by lowering it into the tank hole. Hand tighten the new mounting nut plus 1/4 of a turn. Next, check to see if you have a Jacuzzi brand toilet. If your toilet is not Jacuzzi brand, skip ahead to the timestamp. If you do and the original sponge gasket resembles the non-beveled one pictured here, cut the new sponge gasket at the seam to remove the beveled bottom. Place the new sponge gasket over the mounting nut and carefully lower the tank back onto the bowl. The gasket is designed to compress, so it is normal if the tank wobbles or sits higher than usual. Apply downward pressure to keep the tank level and install the new hardware. The assistance of a second person may be helpful. As you tighten the bolts in the alternating fashion with a wrench, do not continue to tighten if the tank and bowl touch. Over-tightening the bolts may cause the porcelain to crack. Loosen the lock nut on the flush valve and slide the top of the overflow tube to be 1/2 inch above the normal water line and at least 1 inch below the flush lever nut. Hand tighten the lock nut when finished. Unlock the new fill valve by twisting the top counterclockwise and slide it up to extend it to its full length. Then place the valve in the tank and push it down until the corner of the silver cover is level with the top of the overflow tube. Remove the valve from the tank and lock the valve by twisting the upper half clockwise. Make sure the rib of the top of the fill valve lines up with the pegs on the bottom half. Next, place the new fill valve back into the tank and hand tighten the mounting nut on the underside of the tank with the beveled side up. Next, insert the metal clip into the refill tube. Then, clip the refill tube to the top of the flush valve and attach the other end to the refill adjuster. If the tube is too long, trim the tube for a more direct path. Turn the refill adjuster dial fully clockwise to put it in the open position. Then attach the chain to the flush lever with 2 chain lengths of slack or less. Reconnect the water supply line by hand tightening it counterclockwise and turn the water supply on. Then let the tank fill completely. Now, make adjustments to the new product to maintain the toilet's original performance. Turn off the water supply line and flush the toilet. If the water level drops within 1/2 inch of the pencil mark, the flapper installation is complete. If the water level is below the pencil line, adjust the band on the flapper so the arrow points to the next lowest number. If the water level is above the pencil line, adjust the band to the next highest number. Turn on the water supply, let the tank fill completely, turn off the water supply, and flush the toilet. If the water level in the tank is still not within a ½ inch of the pencil mark, keep adjusting the band and checking the water level until it does fall within a ½ inch of the pencil mark. Finally, turn the water on, flush the toilet, and wait for the bowl to finish filling. Mark the water level in the bowl with a pencil. Flush the toilet. If the bowl's water level reaches the pencil mark before the tank is done filling, turn the refill adjuster dial counterclockwise to reduce flow. If the bowl's water level is below the pencil mark when the tank is done filling, turn the dial clockwise to increase flow. Repeat the dial adjustment until the bowl's water level rests within a ½ inch of the mark as the tank finishes filling. Congratulations, your installation is complete. Now you can enjoy a smooth running toilet with a fine-tuned flush. Still have questions? Our technical support team is always willing to help.